Hi guys. So today we're going to cook pork and chicken caldereta. So we're just frying a little bit until it looks like this, like you know, brown color. So this is carrots. Until it so I think this one is good. Then we're going to set aside. I'm going to set aside this one. Like color brown. I'm going to set aside. Okay. So next is we're going also to fry potato. Let's go over the potato. What are you cooking? It's called pork caldereta. So, i-fry lang muna natin. We fry the carrots. And then also the potato. Hello guys. Hello. Is it flammable? So we're just going to fry this a little bit. Then after this, we're going also to fry the pork and a little bit of chicken. Ay, Tagalog pala to. Pinahirapan mo ako mag-English. Hello. May YouTube channel din po ba kayo? Follow ko kayo. Nahirapan pa mag-English. Tagalog ka pala. Pinahirapan mo pa ako. So, fry lang natin yung potato. And also, after this, pa-fry din natin yung pork. Thank you.